Are my kids the only kids that wait until you get to the school to say that they're not going to school because they don't feel good? When I asked them before we left the house, are you going to school?
I was just gonna deal with it. Put in the parking lot. It didn't feel right.
Now I put these two in the car for nothing, for a road trip. Look away. It is now Wednesday morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. I just finished working out. I'm going home, but I just wanted to vlog real quick because this week I haven't really vlogged much because Monday I drove my kids to school and they weren't feeling well, so we went back home and it was just kind of like a really weird off day. And then Tuesday, which was yesterday, neither of them felt good. I woke up not feeling good. I had a real bad migraine all day. My body was aching, but I feel better today. So it's Wednesday. Yesterday I was 100% out of commission. I didn't eat, I didn't drink shake, like I didn't drink anything but tea and a Filipino coffee. That was it. 100% honest with y'all. But today is Wednesday. It's a new day. I don't feel 100%, but I feel better. So I got up at 4:20 and I went to the gym with my husband. I got my workout in and now I am headed home to see how my kids are feeling today. I'm gonna wake them up and see if they can make it to school. Hopefully they can, because you know they're really good in school. So that is that. That's why I don't have many like meals or whatever vlogged for this week, but I'm definitely going to work on that today. I'll cook for y'all today. I'll show y'all some snacks today. All right, so people ask me, how do I do all this in my time? So as soon as I get in from the gym, I make my tea and I make my shake and I get both my kids out. I put all of this in the diaper bag except for the tea. I put it next to the diaper bag and then I jump in the shower, take a quick shower, and then I wake up all the kids. I get all of this ready before I wake up the kids because I won't be able to get any of this done if AJ is awake. Those of you who are close to me or follow my blog closely, y'all know how AJ is and how he kind of runs my schedule at the moment. It's getting better, but it's still running my schedule. So now I'm gonna
Wild. It's over. I was
in a rush. So let me show you real quick. I made some of these meatless chicken strips. They're 13 grams of protein and it's meatless. I don't know if that matters to y'all, but I like, you know, eating less meat, but I still eat meat. Anyways, I cooked some of these, so they're on here with some mozzarella cheese, some lettuce, some tomatoes, and I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce. And that's what I'm going to eat to hold me over while I go pick up my kids from school. Oh, and it's on a spinach wrap. This one, spinach wrap. He's trying to kill me today. I haven't really vlogged that much this week just because it's been a very off week with the kids missing a lot of school, and yeah, it's just been a very off week. But it is Saturday and we are headed to the gym today. And then got some errands to do later, but yeah, headed to the gym. Date.
Yeah.
Right here. Middle of the day. This girl is about to do 4 holes. This girl getting 4 piercings.
Gonna hurt? Like the fourth?
She said it's gonna hurt. Like she already have 4 holes in her ears. You were way too relaxed.
Oh, that was not bad.
You were way too relaxed.
Oh, it's starting to hurt. Wait.
It's okay.
It's alright. It's alright. She's almost done. Hey,
You stay in there, little boy. You stay in there, little boy.
hey, what are you doing? What are you doing with your tongue? Is it done?
There goes 2. Now she got 4 holes on each side. Wow.
Let's reload. AJ! Look at him.
What's up?
Ready for the next time?
A heartbeat.
It's a family affair.
Is it red? Yeah. Like really red? Last one. All right, girl. One. Girl, I can see your
Oh my gosh. Oh, I was taking a video, my bad. These two always buying something now that they got their own little credit card.
AJ. Mom.
Jacob, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Nico, stop. I like how
Brooklyn.